I have here the Decibullz Custom Molded Earplugs. They're provided to me by the brand for review, and we're actually going to go through and create the molds together. The box does include various ear tips in multiple sizes, and it also has these form-fitting ear tips. And it comes with this cool bag so you can put your earplugs in the bag to carry it wherever you need to. Before you put the earplugs into the hot boiling water to then mold them, you can put these rubber flange tips on them, but do not put these foam tips on them. You can put these inserts in here. That's going to help you. And then what you do is you put this in here and you wait for 5 minutes. So a few things about these earplugs. They do work by heating and then shaping them in your ears. They do work with any type of ear, and they also have 31 dB noise isolation. Because these are custom, they'll mold and shape into any ear. They will stay in your ear even during various activities. Also, you can remold them and reshape them as needed. 31 dB highest NRR, which is really good. These work for any scenario, whether you go into the range, you're at a concert, you're on an airplane, you want to rest, you want to focus, sleeping. These will isolate the noise, isolate sound, and it's going to be really good. Okay, let's give this a go. We're going to put them in my ear, and we're going to just start molding. It says just push down, have it fit directly into the ear shape. Look at this, it's pretty cool. You can see that it's already molding and changing shape so that it works directly with my ear. Look at this, you can tell that it changed its shape and size, and it did it according to the shape and size of my ear. Really cool. So now I can just go ahead, put this in like this. It's ready to go.